In this video, we will learn the difference between who and whom. After this video, I will make you sure you will able to differentiate where to use who and where to use whom. We use who with he, she, it, they with subject pronouns, and we use whom with object pronouns him, her, them. Let's see some examples. Blank is at the door. It is a question, so we will write what will be the answer, and by answer, we will write one sentence with who and one sentence with whom, and we will see here comes subject pronoun or object pronoun. He is at the door. Him is at the door. So here we have to use subject pronoun, that is who. We are questioning that who is at the door. Blank did he tell. This is past indefinite tense. Firstly, we will write what will be the answer. He told me, he told her. So the right answer will be he told her. So here comes whom did he tell? Third one, blank did this. This is also past indefinite tense. He did this. And the next one is him did this. We are referring to a person that somebody did anything. We don't know about the work. So, who did this? Blank did you meet today? We are questioning about a person, a particular person that you meet today. I met he, I met him. So, here will be whom did you meet today? Blank fixed my car. He fixed my car. Or him fixed my car. The right answer will be he fixed my car. Subject pronoun. So here comes who fixed my car. Blank did you invite to the party? We are also asking a question about a particular person. So right answer will be I invited him. So question will be whom did you invite to the party? Blank, do you love? I love him. I love he. So right answer will be I love him. So here comes whom do you love? Now this one is for you. Blank should I talk to? I talk to he. I talk to him. You will comment down what comes here. It's the very easiest one. Like, share, comment and subscribe. If you find my video helpful, then share it with your friends. And if you have any doubt, comment down. Thank you for watching.